Hey guys, how's it going? So what we're going to do today is I'm finally going to tint the MR2. I've been kind of on the fence about it because I wasn't sure if it was going to maybe make it look cheesy. But we'll see how it goes. I've already kind of shown how to tint on the Duramax, so I'm going to just do this. I'll do like a time lapse of it and we can talk about it when it's all done. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope it goes well and the tint looks good and I lay it on the car well. So here it goes.
Prince Street, August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy. It's you and me and I'm feeling free. It's crazy how everyone lives out like Top Gun. It's you and it's a cloudy night to smoke one. All things happen when you move to the city. When you're with me, oh, how you feel me. All things happen when you call me pretty. When you're with me, oh, how you feel me. To the city. To the city. To the city. All things happen when you move to the city. When you're with me, oh, how you feel me. All things happen when you call me pretty. When you're with me, oh, how you feel me. To the
Hey guys, so I got the car all done now. Did the back window, as you can see, got all the sides done, and I even did the ricer strip in the front. So I got like the little bit of sun visor going on, whatever you want to call it. Which I also did 20%. What I actually did is I made sure I cut a little bit extra length when I did the back. And I used the straight edge in the top of the back piece to make the front. So yeah, I've got 20 wrapped all around. Definitely looks black. I need to I kind of need to like spray paint these rails now because they kind of look shitty. But the tint makes everything kind of look clean, and that does not look good with the tint right next to it. So that's easy though. That's like just a little bit of matte spray paint, make that look good. But yeah, from distance looks pretty sweet. So yeah, that's all for now. Tomorrow you can get like, gonna do some towing, maybe vlog a little bit, going up to New Hampshire for the weekend, gonna sail, do stuff like that. So there's my boat, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the tint video. Hope you think the AW11 looks a little bit better now. I know I certainly do. Glad it doesn't look tacky like I thought it might, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Overall, it's a pretty clean job. I've definitely done less clean jobs in my life. So, another one in the fleet done. Only got 2 cars now that aren't tinted all the way around. So, doing pretty alright. So, yeah, like, subscribe, thanks for watching, and you can catch me on IG at L'Aristocrat. Thanks.